La musuke umkhonza ngoba ulinda impendulo. Musukhuleka ngoba ulinda ukuthi akutholele umsebenzi. Musukhuleka because you want your blessings. Akukhuleke because of who he is. Besides feeling like your prayers are not answered, you need to praise him for who he is. We should stop praising Jesus simply because we are in trouble or simply because we need answers of something. We need to praise him because of who he is. Lo muntu uyisicelo nesiphetho sethu, guys. Lo muntu uyasithethelela, lo muntu unathi ebuhleni nasebubini. For the fact that you are still alive and intanga zethu ziningi sizingcwabile. For the fact ukuthi thina ukwazile ukusinikeza ama-second chance throughout everything. 10 years yonke without understanding who he is. 10 years ngimhlanganisa, but ukwazile ukunginika ithuba ngakhona ukubuyela kuyena ngamkhonza ngisaphelele. Kunabantu namhlanje abahleli kuma-wheelchair bayafisa ukuthi bangagijimela esontweni bayomkhonza, thina sisaphelela. Ayibo, awukhonza uNkulunkulu because of who he is, not because of what he can do to you. Usesenesikhathi.
Hayi nalaba mgqeka kokuTumi bayoze bathi sisi une-prayer session ke uTumi ngamhla ka-17 May uthi isikhathi ingo-9 ekuseni iphele ngo-4 Nzambama. Uthi kungenwa mahhala awubhadali lutho. Akafuni nje kuniva nithi nine hey ufuna imali, hey ufuna mnikelo. Uthi ungena mahhala, buya uthi space at limited. Uthi book isithi yakho ngokuthi WhatsApp leya number loyibonako lapha. Guys, niyoze nithi sisi nani lemgqeka niyoze nithi sisi, niyoze nikhuthame nithi sisi. UTumisele ke nangumfana urepentile, uyekelile bungoma. As much as people are dragging her bampita ngemagama, but naku gele awuloku uyaphikelela uyaphokophela, akapheli mandla ngisho bamdrega kunjalo. Uthi ukholo lami ngonyuka nalo. Nkosi yami, hamba nawe laphana uyotivela i-prayer session yakhe uTumi. Asathi gogo Sikhotheni ke sesithi Tumi. Niyoze nithi sisi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Sengihembe.